different kind of flow, the melody. Young and fresh, coming Machiavelli. And when I'm coming for the bread, I'm up in my guys in.
Believe me, I make them lead, cause I'm tryna get the money in every season. This niggas hating, they acting shade, cause I'm tryna get the money in every season. You best believe me, I make them lead, cause I'm tryna get the money in every season. This niggas hating, they acting shade, cause I'm tryna get the money in every season. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's up, people? Welcome to my channel. It's your favorite host, ManLyk Mic, and you're watching Blab On It. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to modify an ordinary Denman brush to help you guys achieve its maximum performance in hairstyling. So kick back and relax and stay tuned. So before we start hairstyling, what you want to do is condition your hair with Tresemme conditioning creams or Cantu conditioning creams, any type of like shampoo and conditioner that will make your hair soft, luscious and shiny and have volume. So what you want to do is condition it, wash it out and let it be soft and a bit wet and damp. So towel dry or use like an old t-shirt to dry your hair, because towel can like ruin the roots and make your hair split ends and everything. So after you've done that, come back and I'll show you the rest of the video. Depending on what way you want your curls to flow, if you want it to flow downwards, you just comb your hair downwards. If you want it to flow upwards, you just flow it upwards, and then it will have more volume than when you comb downwards. So right now I'm going to use this water bottle to evenly apply water to my hair and make it all wet. It's all nice and wet. What you want to do is get all your hair products. So for today I'm going to be using quite a few. You don't have to use as many as me, but because my hair is kind of like dry right now because I didn't apply product yesterday. I'm going to start off with the styling mousse. It's called Cantu Natural Hair Wave Whip. Apply a generous amount to the top. Before you start applying your hair cream to your hair, what you want to do is get your ordinary Denman brush with all the rolls in, and what you want to do to modify it is, usually with the ordinary ones, there are too many teeth, so then your hair starts to tangle between the teeth and then it curls less, it makes it harder to detangle your hair. So what you want to do is push it upwards and then just push it like so. What you want to do is pull out every other row, and then you have like probably 3 or 4 teeth, depending on how many teeth you start with. This one started off with 9. Normal Denman brush start off with.
Why are you doing that? Don't do that! Don't.
So depending on how many teeth you start with, this one started off with 9. A normal one will start off with 7. So you'll probably take out like 3. I took out 4. Now you have more spaces, and then your curls be more defined and less tangled. So all you have to do is just get this groove and just slide it back in. Because now I'm in a hurry and my hair's going to be wet, I'm going to be hair drying my hair instead of air drying. So right now I'm going to be using a Argan oil heat defense spray. So I'm going to spray that all over my hair so it defends your hair from like breakage and heat damage, and it also applies oil to your hair. Secondly, I'm going to use this Frizz No More cream to apply instant curls to my hair. Next, I'm going to get the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activating Cream. Because my hair is kind of like medium length, so I'm going to use like a generous amount. If you have short hair, use smaller than mine. If you have longer, thick hair, use more. This is how much I'm going to be using. Next, I'm going to mix it with the Creme of Nature Curl Repair Leave-In Conditioner. I'm going to use the Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner. Use like a generous amount. And finally, I'm going to use the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream. Now all you have to do is work it in and apply more water to your hair. I'm just going to add a bit more to my hair because it's still a bit dry. Now what you're going to do is add lots of water to your hair. Now all you have to do is get your Denman brush and just comb upwards or downwards. I don't know how you want to style your hair. More water to your hair, but you don't have to. But for this step, all you have to do is just shake all the water out of your hair and then you'll start curling up. So because I'm in a hurry and I want my hair to dry faster, what I'm going to use is a hair blower to dry my hair. So I'm going to put it on like the highest or medium setting depending on the strength of your hair. And just continue shaking your hair all about like crazy. Just a disclaimer, the reason why my hair is not as curly and like coily as other people, like other YouTubers, is because over the past few years I've been constantly like dyeing my hair, texturizing my hair, so my hair's been like straightened a bit, used coconut oil, coconut oils, milks and all of that, and it will make your hair like thick again. And if your hair looks like mine, it will be a little bit like long and a bit frizzy. But if your hair is like thick and not texturized, it'll be like more coily or curly. Yeah, so guys, thanks for watching. That's the end of the video. Have a nice day. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification button to be notified for another video like this. Peace.
One of them tell stories like about a movie. Man came here for the crown, you know man came here for the glory.